Hello students, welcome to topperseducation.com. In this video, we are going to discuss trigonometric formulas using hand trick. In this, here we have hand here, and now these fingers represents from 0 to 90 degrees. Here, this is the little finger, it indicates 0 degrees, and now this ring finger indicates 30 degrees, and here this middle finger indicates 45 degrees, and similarly this index finger indicates 60 degrees and this finger indicates 90 degrees. And now let us see the sine, cos and tan formulas using this hand. And now let us see for sine, that is sine equals to square root of fingers below by 2. Now let us see all the formulas of sine. That is, first one, sine 0. Here is 0 and below this finger there is no fingers. So finger below is 0 divided by 2 and the answer is 0. Sine 0 is 0. And now sine 30. Here in this finger below is one finger is there. So finger below is 1, root 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. Here sine 30 is 1 by 2. And now let us see for sine 45, that is sine 45 degrees equals to the fingers below to 45 degrees, that is middle finger is 2 fingers. Here we have root 2 by 2, that is 1 by root 2. And now for sine 60. Here for sine 60, the fingers below for this is 3. So root 3 by 2. And finally for sine 90, the fingers below is 4. That is root 4 by 2. That is root 4 is nothing but 2. 2 by 2. That is 1. So sine 90 is 1. With this, sine is completed. Now let us see for cos formulas. And now for cos, here 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. And now for cos, the formula is square root of fingers above by 2. This is the formula for cos with hand trick. And now let us see for cos 0. For cos 0, here it is the little finger. The fingers above to this is 4. So root 4 by 2. That is 2 by 2, 1. And cos 0 is 1. And now for cos 30, the fingers above is 3. So here root 3 by 2. And for now cos 45 is the fingers above is 1, 2. Root 2 by 2. That is 1 by root 2. And now for cos 60, the fingers in the above we have 1. That is root 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2. And now for cos 90. For cos 90, the fingers above is 0. So root 0 by 2 is 0. And this is the cos formulas. Cos 0 is 1 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 and cos 60 is 1 by 2 cos 90 is 0 and it is reversed to the sine. And now let us see for tan. Here for tan we should reverse the hand, and now it is similar to previous. Here the little finger indicates 0 degrees and the ring finger indicates 30 degrees and middle finger 45 degrees and index finger 60 degrees, and similarly thumb indicates 90 degrees. And now the formula for tan is square root of fingers above divided by square root of fingers below. And now let us see for all, that is tan 0, tan 30, tan 45, tan 60 and tan 90. And now for tan 0 we have the fingers above is 0 and the fingers below is 1, 2, 3, 4. So root of 0 by 4 is 0. And similarly for tan 30, the fingers above is 1 and the fingers below is 3. So root 1 by root 3, that is 1 by root 3. And now for tan 45, the fingers below is 2 and the fingers above is 2, that is root 2 by root 2 is 1. And for tan 60, here the fingers above is 3 and the fingers below is 1, that is root 3 by root 1 is nothing but root 3. And similarly for tan 90, the fingers above is 4 and the fingers below is root 0. Here anything by 0 is not defined, so it is infinity, and tan 90 is infinity. Tan 0 is 0, tan 30 1 by root 3, tan 45 1, tan 60 root 3 and tan 90 is infinity. And this is about the hand tricks to find the trigonometric formulas for sine, cos and tan. And the another three, that is cosecant, secant and cot, is reversed to these three formulas. You can easily find them. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the channel notifications.